Hello people! So I just made slime. It's like I didn't add enough blue because I wanted it to be like purple, but it turned pink. Look at this, it's really sticky. So my friends at school have been asking me what I use to make slime, so I'll just show you right now. So I use obviously PVA glue. It's in a water bottle because like the bottle, like it's PVA glue. You only have that much left. Gillette shaving foam, eye drops. This looks like it's all empty now. This is all that comes out. And nothing comes out. Awesome. And then what's my food coloring? Wait 1 second. Bye. I use these two. No, you can't see it there. These two. They're not focusing. So I'll show you this one first. This blue and this pink. And then I didn't add enough blue. And then yeah, it's really sticky because like it's sticking to me everywhere. And look, we've run out of activator. Ow. I wonder if it's like butter slime. It's fluffy slime, but I want to see if it works good butter slime. Like if it spreads. Ready? You ready, guys? You want to see this? It actually works. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, it sort of sticks to the knife, but like, still, that worked. Look at that. Okay, maybe it doesn't work sideways. Look at that, looks so cool. Yeah, if you hear any noise, it's just like the washing machine. So yeah. Oh dear, it just got stuck to me. Stuck to the charger. Oh, that was close. So that wasn't me. I'm gonna like listen. I'm just gonna close the door. That washing machine's never quiet. So I'm just gonna like let you hear how pokey it is. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm gonna try and make a slime bubble. That didn't work. Ready? Oh, that didn't work. This is how you get it all flattened out. You ready? Oh, bubble. It's stuck me everywhere. Nope. I'll try it the other way. I'll try it this way so you guys can actually see if it makes a bubble. Oh! Did you see that? No, that was one good bubble. I think it's better if I do it that way so you guys can see it and it makes bubbles. It's stuck to the contact. So let me try that again. I'm gonna just move the charger out of the way. Ready? I sort of have to move back to do this. Oh my god, did you see that? Oh yeah, I'm going to get my Halloween costume today. I'm going to be a dead schoolgirl. I feel like someone's watching me. Okay, yeah, let's make another bubble. That had no chance of working. I'm so sad that we ran out of activator. Yeah, that I like spilled food coloring on me. Blue. 3, 2, 1. I think there's a mini bubble. Gonna make another one. Ready? So you got it all sticky. No, that was a cool bubble. I'm gonna make another one. That was a really big one too. Ooh! Did you see that? I need to make another one. I actually have a feeling someone is literally watching me. No, I've got a hole in it. To roll it into this, and then go. I'm gonna move it over here because like I feel like I'm doing it sideways. Oh, 6 minutes, nearly 7 minutes. 3. That had no chance of working. Getting less sticky now because I've been playing with it more. I'm gonna make an Instagram sorta. Ta-da! Look at that thing. It's got a hole in it. I'm gonna make another bubble because like, I love making bubbles. That's my favorite thing to do with slime. I love this slime. I legit just made it. Oh, I need to get. Yeah, look at the bowl. Like, it's shooting from all over. And. Oh, I'm not a boy. And there's like some of it that hasn't actually activated yet. I'm gonna add some too. Oh my gosh, it's actually making it less sticky. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, I haven't tried it in the container yet. I don't know what the difference like it. I'm waiting for more bubbles. I feel like I'm always at this side. I mean, I feel like it's right in front of me. Oh my god. It just got stuck to my iPad cover. Because it's like one of the ones that goes over. That was so close. I was so lucky. Why do you not like... Oh dear. There we go. And tiny. My Fitbit. This is a good one because even though it's not a good proper Fitbit, it like can never smash. If I drop it really hard like that, it won't smash. So that's good. We'll see how many steps I've done, but I haven't been wearing it legit all day, so I probably haven't done that many. 4,468. Just gonna let it sit here for a minute. And you can just see. Okay. let's just carry on. Oh yeah! I might have to end this video now. I'll do another one soon, so stay tuned. Bye. Peace. Bye.